Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the newest addition to Rivian's electric lineup, the 2026 Rivian R2 SUV. It's an exciting time as Rivian expands its horizons with this more affordable off-road electric vehicle, joining the ranks of its illustrious predecessors, the R1S SUV and R1T pickup truck. Taking a first look at the 2026 Rivian R2, it's hard not to notice its striking resemblance to the beloved R1S. From the iconic pill-shaped LED headlights to the powerful and commanding posture, the R2 radiates unmistakable Rivian DNA. But don't be fooled by its smaller size. This compact SUV delivers powerful style and functionality. At 185.6 inches long and 66.9 inches tall, with a 115.5-inch wheelbase, the R2 is slightly more petite than its larger R1S counterpart. Nevertheless, it is still eye-catching on the road, reminiscent of a two-row Jeep Grand Cherokee. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going. What sets the R2 apart are the clever design features geared toward the adventurous. For example, the tilt-up rear window, reminiscent of the classic Toyota 4Runner, adds a touch of nostalgia to modern explorations. The rear quarter windows, reminiscent of the design of older minivans, add a unique twist by improving ventilation and visibility. Inside the cabin, the R2 impresses with not one, but two drop-down glove boxes, setting a new standard for storage convenience. Beneath the elegant exterior lies the heart of innovation, the new R2 platform. Utilizing the lessons learned from the R1 models, Rivian introduces a platform designed to increase efficiency without sacrificing performance. This strategic approach not only reduces costs, but also ensures that the R2 is available to a wide audience, a crucial step in the evolution of electric vehicles. When it comes to power, the R2 offers a range of configurations to meet the needs of any driver. Whether you choose single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, or exciting tri-motor all-wheel drive, the R2 delivers unrivaled performance. The Rivian promises lightning-fast acceleration, with the three-motor version able to hit 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. And with a floor-mounted battery pack, each R2 model has a range of over 300 miles, so you can safely venture off the beaten path. Mark your calendars, because the 2026 Rivian R2 will hit the market in the first half of this year. While the dedicated factory is under construction, Rivian will begin production at its existing facility in Normal, Illinois, ensuring a smooth transition for eager customers. With a starting MSRP of less than $50,000, the R2 offers unbeatable value starting at just $45,000. This competitive price puts it on par with Tesla's Model Y, offering a compelling choice for eco-adventurers. So, are you ready to enter a new era of electrified off-road adventures? Stay tuned for more news on the 2026 Rivian R2 and be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Join us as we redefine the boundaries of research and discover the future of automotive innovation. Until next time, have a safe journey, and we'll see you in the next video.